Okay, so in this question, Tia bought a house for £90,000 on the 1st of January 2009, right? She monitored how the house changed in value over a period of 4 years. Okay, so it's not going to stay at 90,000. It could go up, it could go down. It says in the first 2 years of owning the house, its value appreciated by 11%. Okay, so in the first 2 years, highlighting key information there, it appreciated. Now, appreciated means it goes up, right? Appreciate is another word for increase in the first 2 years. In the third year, its value depreciated. Okay, so depreciated is kind of the opposite. And depreciated, of course, like, you know, it obviously sounds like decreased, doesn't it? Decreased, it goes down by 4%. And then in the fourth year, okay, it appreciated again, so it went up again in the fourth year. Okay, so it's yo-yoing. Okay, it's going up, then it's going down, then it's going up again. So determine what Tia's house was valued on the 1st of January 2013. Okay, so if I start off by writing the 1st of January 2009, we want to actually figure out each year, don't we? But on the 1st of January, remember, she bought the house. Okay, and it was cost £90,000. That's what it will be, £90,000 on the 1st of January. And then over the course of that year, the whole year, what did they say? It appreciated by 11%. So let's work out 11%. 11%, of course, is 0.11. It's a decimal. So let's work out what that is on my calculator. And that comes out to be lovely 9,900. Okay, so it went up 9,900 across that year, you know, because that was the value at the start of the year, and then across the whole year, it increased by that amount. So on the 1st of January then, the next year, let's think about what it would be valued at. Well, it's gone up, isn't it? It's gone up by that amount, so it would be 90,000 plus now what it's gone up by. So then if you do that on your calculator, just to check, 99,900. Yeah? Okay, and it is late in the day, so I'm going to check that. It is worth checking because you don't want to make silly mistakes. And you get 99,900. Okay? Now, that's what it's valued then, 1st of January 2010. But then in the next year, it appreciated again, didn't it? Because it said in the first 2 years, it appreciated by 11%. So you need to work out now 11%, okay, of this 99,900. Okay, so get my calculator, 0.11 times 99,900, and we get 10,989. Okay, so that's how much it's going to go up by in the second year. So it went up 9,900 in the first year. Second year, it goes up by a bit more because, of course, we're dealing with compound interest here. Okay, 11% now, of course, of this higher amount. So now we need to add this on. Okay, maybe leave a gap here so it's a bit clearer. So on the 1st of January, then, 2011, 99,900, and now, of course, it's increased by 10,989. And that comes to 110,889. Okay, right, so in the third year, its value depreciated by 4%. So now we need to work out 4%. So 4% is 0.04 of 110,889. And we get £4,435.56. I think that's right. Okay, I typed in numbers there correctly. Now, because it depreciated, right, on the 1st of January 2012, okay, it depreciated in that year, didn't it? All across all of 2011, right? From the 1st of January, it was worth that. But then, throughout that year then, it depreciated, it said, so it went down. So what you need to make sure you do is, you do 110,889, you take away what it depreciated by. Okay? And you get out 106,453.44. Big numbers here. So just be more careful, that's all. So that's what it's worth there. Now, in the fourth year, it appreciated by 2.5%. Okay, so 2.5%. Now, that's a bit of a challenge, isn't it? What's going on there? How are we going to change this to a decimal? Well, what I do is, remember percentage, it is out of 100, so I just check on my calculator. It's calculator paper, so I do 2.5, divide by 100, and I get out this here. So it comes out as that. Whenever I press the SD button, you get that. So it's 0.025, okay? So 0.025 times this. Oh, I made a mistake there, make sure I type it in properly. And we get £2,661. Now, two decimal places we want for money, so 34 that will be, won't it? Because there's a 6 there, I round that up to a 4, don't I? So that's what it is. But let's be careful here. You know, it's big numbers we're dealing with, but what does it say in the fourth year? It appreciated again, didn't it? So what are we going to do to this amount here? Okay, that I worked out here, this 2.5%. Well, of course, because it appreciated, I need to add it onto this, don't I? Need to add it onto this. So then, throughout that year then, leading up to the 1st of January 2013, this is what I want my answer. I've got that there, 106,453.44. I need to add on the 2661.34. Okay, so let's just be careful. And I get out there £109,114.78. Okay, there's our final answer.